Hello my delightful people. Today I'm trying out this new donut pan that I bought for baking donuts. So watch me while I try it out. First of all, I used some oil and greased all the shapes and then set it aside. Then got a glass bowl and broke 2 eggs in the glass bowl. After that, I added 1 cup of milk. So you can use any type of milk. I used 1 cup of whole milk. Next, I also used 1 cup of oil, any type of oil that you have. So I used canola oil. Then you take your mixer and whisk very well. Here I'm using an electric hand mixer. And see, whisk it thoroughly very well until everything is mixed smoothly and nice. So while we are doing this, let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a big hug. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Delightful Food TV. Okay, so next is to add the donut mix. So this one is called cake donut. For whatever reasons, I'm trying it out for the first time. I'll see what it looks like at the end of the day. So pour the whole mix into the bowl. So we're following the instruction on the pack. Pour the whole mix into it, and then you also mix with the spatula first of all to fold in the flour so that when you use the mixer, it will not splash everywhere. So you mix it thoroughly very well, and then afterwards get the mixer again, and then we'll mix thoroughly. So that's what we're going to do the next one. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Tell me how you make your own donut, or have you tried making a cake donut before? So you take the mixer again, put it in the middle, and then mix thoroughly. Keep mixing until after that, then you remove the whisker, and then you set aside the mixed content. Next is to return the baking pan, the donut pan, and get ready to pour in the mixture into the shapes of the donut pan. So I scooped some with a measuring cup and then poured it into the shapes of the donut pan, but I didn't like the way it was pouring, right? So it wasn't allowing me to get the right quantity or even do it. We can see how messy it is. So I stopped this one and did something else. So as alternative, I got a lump cup and put a piping bag in it, set it up properly. Then afterwards, I took the mixture from the bowl and then poured it into this piping bag. So when you pour it in it, it keeps it together, and then you can easily now pour it into those shapes. Afterward, you use like a rubber band to tie it tightly and nicely so that it doesn't waste. Please also remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. So next, when we're ready to pipe, we just cut off the tips and then we start pouring it gently. You see, I'm getting the right result that I wanted, easily, to pour in, and that is what we want to do nicely. Okay, so when you're done, you shake it to just make sure they are the same level. Then you put it in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. So it is time now for us to bring it out from the oven. Wow, see, we're done. See, it nicely came out well. Wow. Don't look for the one that is missing because I've already eaten it. So I'm just bringing them out and setting it on the plate. You can see the shape. So that's how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.